I love you. Sana magustuhan mo yung surprise namin.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. We keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. 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 Oh, you can fit me inside the necklace you got when you were 16, next to your heartbeat where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, well, that's okay, baby. Only words bleed inside these pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost. Girl, just let your hair down. Let's paint the whole town. Life is our playground, yeah. But I'm not a kid no more, so I must open doors and make you feel like the lady you are. My mama raised me to be classy, not flashy. I'm happy to please you, though I can tell that's not what you're used to. And they say chivalry is dead, dead, dead. Girl, let a real man pick up the slack and treat you with respect, yeah. And you don't have to love see you head over heels. I feel like you deserve it. There's no pressure, we can do whatever makes you comfortable. Yeah, I could float your boat. It's cold, take my coat. I'll sing a music note from the song that I just wrote. Girl, just take my hand and let me be a man. Though that's not what you're used to. And they say chivalry is dead, dead, dead. Go let a real man pick up the slack and treat you with respect. Yeah, and you don't have to love me, love me, love me. You don't have to love me, love me, love me. Just 'cause I'm a gentleman don't mean I ain't taking you to bed, bed. That's just how you treat a lady, 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 treat a lady. Da 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 da. No. That's just how you treat a lady, 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 treat a lady. Da 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 da. And they say chivalry is dead, dead, dead. Go let a real man pick up the slack and treat you with respect. Yeah, and you don't have to love me, love me, love me. You don't have to love me, love me, love me. Just 'cause I'm a gentleman don't mean I ain't taking you to bed, bed. And you don't have to love me, love me, love me. You don't have to love me, love me, love me. Just 'cause I'm a
Hi, Tof! Happy birthday! Sorry, hindi ko kasi alam kung ano yung format ng video kasi alam ko may format yon kasi naririnig ko lang. But, hindi na naman kasi ako kasama dun sa naging group chat ata. So, eto, gagawin ako na ng sariling video format. So, yun, happy birthday! Wishing you all the best, good health, and sana wag nang malilate palagi kasi na-stress ako, di ba? And then, I hope na ma-appreciate mo to kasi sobrang effort talaga ng lahat ng mga taong gumawa nito, especially yung girlfriend mo. So, napakaswerte mo talaga na naging girlfriend mo si Ivy. And then, yun, wala na akong ibang wish para sa'yo. Kundi sana, yun nga, good health. Tapos, especially wag nang malilate sa trabaho. And then, I think this time is the right time to thank you for all the things that you've done to me. It's pagdating natin sa work, yung na ina-assist mo ako pagdating sa trabaho, tapos minsan pinagtatanggol mo ako minsan, tapos pag pinapagalitan ako, nagagalit ka rin. So, natatouch lang ako dun. So, yun, maraming salamat. I hope na hindi ka magbabago. And then, I hope na yung treatment mo sa Kivan Babies, di pa rin magbabago. I mean, yung hinahatid mo sila. So, yun. Sobrang napaka-gentleman mo dun na hinahintay mo sila, lalo na yung night shift na hinihintay mo sila bago ka umuwi. So, yun. I hope na ma-enjoy mo to. And then, yan. Happy birthday ulit.
Yung taas ko, kawawa naman. Walang face.
Hindi ko na yung sasabihin ganyan. Anyway, hi Turtle. Happy birthday! Wish you all the best in life. Sana magustuhan mo itong regalo namin. Yung effort namin, na madaling araw na naman. Medyo wag mo lang pansinin yung background ko. Yun, yan. Anyway, ano pa ba sasabihin ko? Ay, wait lang! Sana hindi ka magbago. Ano pa ba? Wait lang! Yun lang. Happy birthday
Happy birthday, Sir Tov! Lagi ko pong maaalala si Sir Tov kapag makakita po ako ng Americano coffee dahil po hindi ko po kayang umubos ng isang coffee Americano pag hindi po si Sir Tov yung gumawa or kung hindi po siya yung ka-share ko. Hindi ko din po talaga alam kung bakit. May gayuma po ata. Tapos yun nga po, happy birthday, Sir! Salamat po sa pagiging mabait, matyaga, pag-aantay ng jeep namin para makauwi na kami. Pagpapakain po kasi nga po, tipid po kami kahit po pasaway kami sa trabaho. Ayun po, salamat po kay God kasi nakilala ka po namin. Yun nga po, sana po madami ka po pong matanggap na blessings aside sa magandang girlfriend, magandang mga katrabaho, magandang trabaho, cool na family, and madaming friends. Kasi nga po, loving cash. Tapos mahilig ka pong mag-share ng kahit ano. And alam ko po na puro magaganda lang po yung nakikita mo sa mga tao. And yun po yung magandang part sa inyo. Kaya,
Hi sir! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best and sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo para sa sarili mo and para sa family mo. Alam ko na mabait ka kahit wala sa itsura mo. Saludo kami sa iyo, sir. We love you. Hi! And yun, again, happy birthday. Sana, maraming salamat sa lahat. Sa labas ng Kiban, sa loob ng Kiban, suportado mo kami, hindi mo kami pinapabayaan, kahit nasan tayo. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday, sir. Thank you.
Hi sir, happy 23rd birthday. Wala na akong ma-wish pa kundi matupad yung mga wish nila sa'yo. Sarap katrabaho ang artista. Yun lang. Wish you all the best. Good luck.
Happy birthday, sir! Eto na yung part na mag-wish ako sa'yo. Kaso wala akong maisip. Kasi ano po ba naman yung i-wish ko sa isang Daniel Padilla ng Kivan? Nasa iyo na ang lahat. De, pero seryoso, sir. Exercise na tayo.
Happy birthday, Tov! Happy birthday, Tov! Hi, Si! Happy birthday, Tov! Happy birthday, Tov!
Hi, Tov. Happy birthday. Ayun. Tagal natin hindi nakikita. Hindi na kita kilala. Just, ayun. Ang wish ko for you ay, kung ano wish mo sa sarili mo, yun na rin wish ko sa'yo. Walang kwenta. Ayun. I miss you dyan. And, akala mo na sa'yo mabasa. I miss you ni Mom Star and ng K1 family. Love you. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
happy birthday, Sir Tov! Happy birthday, Sir Mimi!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Topher.
Happy birthday, Topher. Sorry, tulog na si Shan.
Hello. Happy birthday, Toph. Miss you. Bye-bye. Hope you have a happy birthday. Pasensya na if di na ako bumalik sa Kivan. I'm working now. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Tito Dong. Magpakain ko naman.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday, Dong! Sorry kasi ang dilim ng phone ko.
Partida na yun.
Ito pala yung baby mo, sobrang sipag niya, di ba?
Happy birthday, Janjan. Maigi 5.
Happy birthday, Dong! Sana ang tagal kayo ni Isa. Yun lang. Yun lang.
Baby! Huwag mo na mag-aasa.
Dong, happy birthday! Alam mo naman, na alam ko rin. Na alam din nila. Basta yun na yun, alam mo na yun. Happy birthday! Tapos, yun lang. God bless. Yo. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Dong. Love you.
Happy birthday, Dong Dong.
Atom.
Hello! Happy birthday, Dong! Sensya na, kakagising lang namin ni Hana. Hope you have a good time and lots of good things. Bye! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ding Dong. Have a good day.
We love you!
Love you.
Mwah!
Happy birthday, Dong! Magpakabait ka palagi. Huwag mo pabayaan ang sarili mo at saka mga magulang mo, lalo na si nanay. Tsaka huwag mong paiyakin si Isa. Happy birthday!
Dong, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, baby boy.
Happy birthday, baby Dong!
Birthday. Happy birthday. Ganyan.
Marami kaming wish sa'yo eh.
Wish me.
Siyempre, wish ko magkaroon ng maraming anak. Tawa si Isa. Alam mo na yung mga wish ng mama. Marami na rin ako surprise eh. May surprise ako sa isa. Papakita ko na ha. Ang haba ng listahan ng grocery ko. Ha? Kikita mo yan? Nasama ako sa kalukuhan ni Isa. Nauto ako ni Isa. Kaya daw, mag-ingat ka. Huwag kang papauto. Huwag kang papauto. Huwag mo manahin yun sa papa mo, ha? Happy birthday, daw.
Birthday.
23. Pa?
23 na ba siya?
Oo nga. Sabi nila. Pinagkatalunan namin yun. 23 ka na. 23 ka na nung pinanganak. 23 ako nung pinanganak ko siya, no? Diba?
Ito, pero ko siya.
Huwag naman.
Okay. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday.
Pagod ako
Wala akong masay. Wala akong masay sa airport.
Bye.
Bye. I love you.
Happy birthday, Dong. Sana umani pa ang iyong mating pa ang iyong maraming kaarawan. Magpakabait ka lalo, Dong. Huwag ka muna mag-asawa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dong. May you have many more birthday to come. May God bless you and look His face upon you and give you peace. I love you, Dong. I love you. I love you.
Hello. 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 Ay, nakakahilot ang
Natural ice cream! Yes! Kayo magkakaso sa akin! Hello! Kuya, kayo. Thank you! Enjoy your ice cream! Paano ba po? Paano ba po?
Hello. 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 Nakakahilo, tangik.